G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How you doing? I'm just marking my tile line I'm blocking it out. I'm just set up my laser level. And I'm going around marking the whole bathroom. Once I do those marks like that, I'm able to turn it off. I don't need the laser going all day, no. All you do is just flatten the battery. And there's no need, once you've got your marks, you're laughing. One there, I've just thrown a coat of waterproof on that because there's the backboard of the vanity. What I'm going to do here is knock a hole in here so the Sparky can put the power point up here to make sure it's far enough from the water to your vanity, because there's a bit of a rule. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's 400 or 420. I'm not sure. Someone might be able to let me know what that distance is, but I know it's greater going up there than leaving it there. And the Sparky I've got organised, he's going to be running a wire for the light to the mirror. So it's all good. And with me going up, well then he doesn't have to lengthen the wires, they're already there. I just move it up. So I just cut a channel up in a square. We're laughing. Move that so I can see my line. Oh, brilliant. Okay, well that's all marked off, so I can now just turn off my laser. I don't flatten the battery, so I'm not having to charge it all the time. We're set to go. This is going to be a feature wall in that colour, and the rest is around here is going to be a white. So yeah, a grey feature wall, which will look cool. Just make it pop. We'll see you soon. This is Chriso. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Smash the thumbs up button. We're laughing. Thanks people for watching my channel. I appreciate it.